Consider the tale of two siblings, Israel and Sunim Tovar. They grew up amid financial struggles, yet they embarked on a life-altering journey to become debt-free and amass a combined net worth of $325,000. Their secret? A thirst for knowledge and the power of the right resources. They attribute their success to 3 books and 2 podcasts that transformed their financial mindset and armed them with practical strategies. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin was a game-changer, helping them reevaluate their priorities and better allocate their time and energy. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins instilled in them the importance of spending less than they earn, investing wisely, and avoiding debt. Meanwhile, Broke Millennial Takes on Investing by Erin Lowry demystified financial jargon, making the world of finance more accessible. The podcast Journey to Launch by Jamila Sufran and Yo Quiero Dinero by Janice Torres Rodriguez provided further inspiration and guidance, fueling their journey towards financial freedom. Then, there's the story of Marks and Shira. Despite earning a modest income, this couple managed to build a portfolio of rental properties, generating $28,000 a year in passive income. Their strategy was unconventional, yet effective. They leveraged the equity in their primary home to buy their first rental property in cash, using a home equity line of credit. This strategy not only allowed them to close deals quickly, but also negotiate lower purchase prices. They focused on buying turnkey homes in growing areas and built a reliable team to manage their properties. This approach, combined with their discipline in ensuring rental income covered their monthly expenses, has resulted in them enjoying the benefits of property appreciation. Now, what are the key takeaways from these stories? First, educate yourself. Books, podcasts, and other resources can offer invaluable insights and practical tips. Second, change your mindset. Prioritize your time and energy wisely and understand the importance of spending less than you earn. Third, consider investing, whether it's in stocks or real estate. And finally, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Unconventional strategies like using a home equity line of credit to buy rental properties can pay off. Remember, everyone's journey to becoming debt-free and accumulating wealth is unique, and it's never too late to start. As these stories show, with the right mindset, education, and strategies, financial freedom is within reach.